the Ghost Rider, and this here is the most powerful turbo Hayabusa in the world. She has for 199 horsepower on the back wheel. That's a damn fast machine.
How fast?
Maximum. Slightly over 450 kilometers per hour. But in its current condition, 370 kilometers per hour.
A standard Suzuki Hayabusa, with its 175 horsepower, barely reaches 300 kilometers per hour. Not enough for the Ghost Rider.
If you're going about 320 kilometers per hour, you can twist the throttle and lift the front wheel.
No empty words, filmed entirely on a Swedish highway. The camera bike hits almost 300. The Ghost Rider flies by on his turbo Hayabusa. On the back wheel,